Hey guys, hope you guys are having a great day today. So I'm going to talk to you guys about SoundHound AI. So SoundHound came out with their earnings yesterday. It popped off right in the aftermarket and popped off in the morning as well. Pre-market, it basically almost went up to $8 a share, or I think it kind of went over that. And then you do see right when it opened up, it got pushed down due to a short attack. So the shorts are going hard on this right now. If the shorts let off, it's going to start to skyrocket, but it seems like it's just going to kind of stay where it's at. Maybe we'll get a power hour at the ending of the day, and maybe it'll start to increase even more. Again, the market is kind of flat today, so that could be something that is causing SoundHound to also go down. A lot of the stocks that I have, they're not really doing that well, but SoundHound is up 10%. So last 6 months down 7, year to date, past year, but it is looking a little bit better. At least some people that bought last month are in the green, but right now it's in a weird limbo. So I wanted to talk about the technicals before I talk about the earnings. So the moving averages, they hit their moving averages, which is good. So it's calling, it is becoming more bullish. So they just hit their 50-day moving average, and they passed their 10 and 20 and 30. Obviously, next round target is around $7.73. So that's also really good as well. So once it gets past $7.73, and if it starts to stay there, the next round target's around $9.17. So I would say this is what I'm doing. I'm buying. I'm buying it. It had great earnings yesterday. If it starts to kind of lag out a little bit, cash secured puts might be the best option, so you get some premiums while you're waiting. If the stock starts going back up, you could just basically close out your short, not your short position, but you could close out your cash secured puts. So let's see what kind of but Gemini is saying about the quarter two earnings. So they pulled all-time record revenue of $61.9 million, destroying Wall Street's estimates of 52, and marking 45% increase year over year. So they also did a earnings per share. So they beat earnings per share, and they raised their guidance, which is amazing. So they raised their guidance, especially with the Oasis platform, and for full year 2026. So they basically did a triple beat. Again, 42% of the public float is short sellers. Shorts are getting, when you see it like that, the shorts are getting, they're panicking at this point. They're just panicking. They're like, what is going on? They don't want to lose their money, but if the bulls start to take even more control, then it's going to start to skyrocket. I'm hoping, I know sometimes companies will do this, I'm hoping they come out with better news in the next upcoming days, so the shorts could just get out of here in retrospect. SoundHound closed out the second quarter with a $203 million and zero debt, which is amazing. So no talks for equity financing or debt financing unless they pull a SoFi, unless they have a lot of expenses. It seems like there's not a lot of expenses for SoundHound. Lib person, that might increase a little bit. So maybe next earnings or the earnings after, the balance sheet might go down a little bit. But in retrospect, it's looking really good. So I'm buying. I might do some cash secured puts to maybe get some premiums while I'm waiting. Let me know what you guys are doing, and we'll just go from there, right? So everything was looking good. They increased their guidance. They increased their revenue. They're making new partnerships, and this could be a great buy within in the near future, really in retrospect. So even though it's getting pushed down right now, I don't think there's any steam letting off from the shorts. I think they're just going to keep. I think the bulls just have to get control of the stock and start pumping it up and get the fear of missing out going. I bought a little bit more. My average cost is around I think $9.50, so I might buy more today, especially if it goes down to the high sixes. I might buy a lot more today. So anyways, hope you guys have a blessed day. We got one more day in the market, and let's just go and kill it. See ya.